This edge wrap, there's wire inside. This helps it to just say where you put it. I will demonstrate it for you guys to see right now. Because there's wire inside, it just says where you put it. I will wrap it around once again. You can really tie this edge wrap in different ways, guys. You see? I will roll this side. Then I will turn this because I will roll this side down too. You can roll it up, you can roll it down, you make a bow, you make a rose with this edge wrap. This is all in one, like, then I will roll it, you see? You see the way it is, guys? It just says where you put it. Then I made this. This is both-sided wire and this is one-side wire. I already have the video of this on my YouTube channel, okay? And this one is, I use something that give it volume. This one is different, okay? Hello, guys. This is how to make this edge wrap. You need your wire. And the fabric I'm working with is 13 inches by 46 inches. I folded this fabric. It's 46 inches long. So I will fold my fabric like this. Then I will take it to the machine to sew. I sew this place. Then I sew this first row from beginning to the end. Then I sew the second row from the beginning. I didn't sew it to the end, I sew it to this place, you see. Then I sew this place a bit up. This place, I left this place open. Then I sew from here to here. I didn't sew everything, so I will have room to turn it. Then I will iron it. Oh, this place I left open when sewing. That is where I'm going to pass the wire through. Before I pass it through, I will bend my wire so that it will be easy for me to pass through. And number two, it will not poke out in this place when you bend it. Then I will pass it through. This wire I'm using is aluminum wire. Then I'll pass it through. Then I will cut off this place like this. Again, I'll bend this side like this. Then I will close this place with needle and thread. Then I will close this place with needle and thread. If you like, you can do this on a sewing machine. I just prefer to do it with needle and thread.